Let's solve equations using inverse operations and being careful when doing our negative number operations. Equation number 1. Step 1. Read the equation. -7 times h equals 28. Step 2. Determine the inverse operation and apply it to both sides. We need to get the variable h all by itself. -7 is being multiplied to the h, so to undo a times -7, we need to divide both sides by -7. -7h divided by -7 and 28 divided by -7. Simplifying, -7 divided by -7, remember, equals 1, and h remains as a variable. And on the other side, we have a positive 28 and a -7, which means we are going to divide the values. 28 divided by 7 equals 4, and we are dividing different sides. A positive divided by a negative equals a negative. 1h is the same thing as just the variable h, so h equals -4 is the solution to our equation. How did we determine and apply the inverse operation? We knew that the inverse operation was to divide by -7 because to undo a multiplication, we need to divide. Step 3. Check the solution. So we are going to take our original equation, -7h equals 28, and we're going to replace the variable h with the value -4. Remember to use parentheses when substituting into a variable with the coefficient. -7 is the coefficient times the variable h. So now we have the computation -7 times -4. Does that equal 28? -7 times -4 will equal a positive 28 because 7 times 4 is 28, and we are multiplying the same signs, both negative. A negative times a negative equals a positive. And so that tells us that our answer is correct. H equals -4 is the value that makes our equation -7 times h equals 28 true. How did we check the solution? We check our solution by taking our original equation and replacing the variable h with the value -4, and then calculating to check out the final number comparison to see if it was true or not. In this case, it was true, so we did check that h equals -4 is the solution. It makes our equation true. You are now ready to solve equation number 2 using inverse operations.